That's the essence of Tantra. Reduce, dissolve, transform what stops you and limits you so you can see beyond.
For me, the essence is really to connect as a family, as a community.
I'm so happy to welcome and take care of your kids and your teenager during this fabulous festival.
Let's change this heavy energy into something more light and brilliant and just be happy.
And there's so much more benefits of it, so just come and join.
Sharing, elevating, inspiring each other. Be with us. No, don't go like this. It's mine. No.